Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today I have another workstation from Lenovo. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alrighty guys, just a brief description of this computer. It's got the Xeon W2125, which is a 4-core 8-thread, and it goes from 4 GHz up to 4.5 on boost. Now this machine came with 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is ECC memory, and we have upgraded it to 64 gigabytes. You're going to be using this computer for AutoCAD 3D Max applications, so it needs a heavy load of RAM in order to operate when they're multitasking with different applications. Now onto the video card, it's an 8 gigabyte RTX 4000. This is the Quadro card, and from NVIDIA, which is designed for AutoCAD applications such as animation and that type of stuff. Now onto the solid state, it's just a stock 512 gigabytes. It is upgradable. You got a lot of room, guys. If you're looking for a nice machine that can do robust applications, this machine will do it for you guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions on this particular model, we will leave a comment down below for the link onto our website. So thank you so much for watching.